everybody. Right, I'm going to try and do what I can for now, because also doing the caravan tour, so it is a bit of a mess.
Ignore it.
Yeah, just ignore it for now, because it is...
Imagine it wasn't there.
Just basically, we're leaving tomorrow, so we've got everything all over the place, because I completely forgot to do a van tour. So I'm going to do it now and add it somewhere else. I don't know if I'm going to add it to at the end of the videos or I'm going to do it before. But I'm going to do it because obviously I said I'm going to do it and I keep forgetting to. So anyway, this is the living room.
Don't ask about my hair. And
yeah, Kaya's been in the shower.
Yeah. And I'm trying to dry my hair with this. Don't ask why.
Obviously the picture's a little bit blurry because I'm using a wide angle camera and I'm using the standard lights in the van because it's dark outside because it's about 11 o'clock. Get a smart TV, heater, usual bits. Got Tina there at the dining table. And you got some little benches or seats there. There's general, normal central heating. Your kitchen, like I said, don't mind the mess. At least it's clean. We have cleaned it. You got your cooker, grill, oven, cupboards above, microwave. You got your fridge down there. You got your main front door there. Take me into the bathroom. It's hard in the bathrooms. Yeah, it'll be alright because Kaya's just been in the shower. It's hard to get it a good image in the bathrooms on these because obviously they're small so it doesn't go into the camera that well. Right, got your way. We've got kids are in bed. Sorry, Harvey. One twin room, curtains hanging off again. I've already fixed that once. Right. This is a 3-bedroom caravan, by the way. So we've got another one here.
This one's curtains ain't hanging off, luckily.
Right. Next one, mine and Tina's. And I'll tell you a little bit about this in a minute. So this is from this angle here. That light's a bit dim in here, sorry everyone, but you can sort of see it. I'll see if I can adjust the brightness in the editing.
Why does your light not work?
I don't know, probably a dud bulb. But downfall with this caravan, this bed is tiny. It don't look it on camera.
1 minute. Let me do me for comparison.
Well, that's Kaya on the bed. Length's fine, but look at how wide it is. And you lot know that we're not exactly skinny minis. Oh, God. And there's, basically me and Tina struggle to get on that. Andrew's fallen off his single bed, which I'll turn the camera around now so I can explain. Right, bed situation. Length is fine. Width, not fine. Seriously, we've been in loads of Parkdean statics, we've been to Havens in the past and everything. The beds have been absolutely fine and comfortable, good night's sleep and everything. This one, I'm not saying it's a bad point, it's just something they need to sort out, is, and obviously space is a problem in these caravans, especially in the twin rooms, but...
Yeah, they're tiny.
Let's say me and Tina first. As you know, me and Tina are not exactly skinny minis. There's Tina there. Oh yeah. Right. And that's got to be a small double. That's not even 4'6". That's, I reckon that's either about a 3'8" or 4 foot. Not even 4 foot, to be honest. I don't think. I don't know. But me and Tina even struggled to lay flat on our back side by side. So we cuddle up anyway in bed. But even then, Tina's nearly fallen out the bed, and I've had to catch her during the night. I think the first night she ended up coming into the living room and sleeping on the sofa because she couldn't sleep in the bed because it was too small.
No, she didn't fall asleep on the sofa, she just sat on the sofa.
Oh, she just sat on the sofa, she didn't go to sleep.
Or something like that.
And last night, was it last night? Yeah, my mum slept on the sofa in here because the sofa seems wider than her single bed in the bedroom.
I've always
and
I've
she's
banged
normally
the head multiple times. That's how small it is.
And she's near enough fallen out. But then last night, Andrew tells us he actually fell out the bed because he rolled over and fell out. So, yeah, so the beds are long enough, but they're quite narrow.
Yeah,
so,
I keep banging my head on the wall. It hurts.
So bear in mind that we haven't had a problem with the beds in the past. They're comfortable. They are really comfortable. But they're not very wide at all. I mean, the twin rooms obviously they're limited on space because obviously going from a 2-bed to a 3-bed, obviously they're the same size, but they're using extra space because of the extra 2 beds. So obviously they have to make the beds smaller to get them in. But the double bed, you've seen then how much more space there was in that bedroom. They could have put a bigger bed in there, and normally they do. But there's not really a complaint with the double bed because it is normally big enough and all of them been in it. This one, it's a bit too tight. People are going to say in the comments now, oh, just you have to lose some weight then, won't you? We already are trying to. Even though what we've eaten, you see on camera, blinking eating pizza and that. But you're on holiday. You're allowed to let the diet go out the window every so often. All the walking I've done, especially because we haven't eaten much this holiday. I think we've burnt off more calories this weekend away than what we've actually eaten. But I'm in agony. So anyway, caravan tour done. I'll show you outside in the morning. Well, you've seen plenty of it actually outside anyway. The amount of times I've been in and out and sitting out there morning, sitting out there at night. We were sitting out there before, but we've come in now because obviously things need organising before we go home tomorrow. Boo. That's why, yeah, boo. I know I've gave some bad points about this place, but it is a really nice place still. And we ain't going home anyway, we hate it. If I could do this for a living and just do this, travel, or even live in a static caravan, I'd do it in a heartbeat. Oh yeah, Mum got a teddy, I think I've already shown them.
One him.
Yeah, in a machine.
Oh, baby.
So if I could do something like this for a living, I would.
She saved him from the horrible machine and the claw.
Yeah, I'm going achy. So yeah, so I'm going to say it again, I'll leave this one here because I've already said it before saying night to everyone. So good night everybody, don't forget, I don't know where this video, the problem is I don't know where this big clip's going into. It might go before the end or at the end. I don't know. This is basically because I've forgotten every day this weekend to do this tour. It's just going to be slipped in anywhere. I don't care. It's only a tour. I'll fit it in somewhere. So anyway, good night, everyone. Don't forget, give us a subscribe, give us a comment, give us a like, give us a share. We answer all the comments, and sharing is caring.
Unless you don't care.
Yeah, true.
Which is.
But anyway, love you all.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the morning.
Ta-da!
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. All aches and pains this morning. Got a lot of stuff packed up. Tina's just sorting a few bits out, and then we've got to load the car up.
No.
No, it's gone 8 o'clock now. But at least we're almost. I've got a few things are still packed, but I'm still using a couple of bits at the minute. The power station, that's charging a couple of bits, internet and Tina's e-cig. I've got to pack obviously all the tripod and that away. Pack my tablet and that away. So I've still got a bit to do. But has everybody enjoyed themselves?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just tiring with what we've done this weekend, Christ. Been hot, aches and pains, and then I've got a 2-hour drive home. So anyway, we may as well catch you just before we're leaving because we're going to be busy packing the car. Kids have eaten, had a cup of tea, wake up. So, yep, well, kids have got to get dressed as well. So we'll catch you all in a bit. Ta-da! Right, now it's all cleaned, we can show you a bit better now. So you've got your TV here, your dining bit there. And we'll come this way. Mum's in shot. And that's the living room. Now let's take you to here. That's the kitchen area, cupboards up above. I ain't going to show because obviously I've done one before when it was all dirty with us sorting stuff out, so I'll quickly do one now. In the daylight, so you've got 2 lots now. Oh. The entrance here. 1 bedroom here. Obviously a bit of a mess now because we're just setting off in a bit shortly. I've got the car packed up so it's a bit easier now. Another bedroom, and another bedroom. So yeah, ready to go shortly. I'm going to do a last clip outside. before we go. We're going home. What was this? What that? You're on about? Outside the caravan where we were sitting. I'll miss this bit, me. Let's go over here and say goodbye on the pond. Give you a last look. Lovely spot here. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'll be sad to see this one, but us leave this one. Really nice sight. So, now time to go. Get everyone to say bye in a minute. Yeah, it's alright. I'll sort him in a minute. Harvey, say bye.
Bye.
Andrew's in the back there somewhere.
Bye. Look, Daddy, when I go on YouTube.
Yeah. Right. And that's a wrap. Don't know when the next one's going to be, everybody, because obviously we've got this operation, but we will be back at some point. Just be patient with us. So I hope you enjoyed this little trip. So, yeah, don't forget, give us a subscribe. Oh, before we go, I will add pictures into this end of our trip here. And a bit of a music montage with some pictures at the end. So if people want to watch it, they can. If they don't, they don't. So, Kay is here. So don't forget, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like, thumbs up, whatever you want to call it. Comment, give us a share, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you all so much for your support, and all to the new and old subscribers. We love you all. See you soon. Ta-da!
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.